Movie is scanning today. How much are you excited or nervous?
I'm very excited because I'm very excited about this movie because we've been waiting for this release for a very long time.
Okay.
So this has been a much awaited film which we've all been looking forward to, and now it's been dubbed in Hindi, so it's for everyone to see. It's been 2 years actually since we've shot this film, and it's it's like very much a home production because my sister's in it. My favorite producer, Mr. Subhash Ghai, is in it. Rituparna Ghosh, who's been a family friend for a very long time, he's directed the film. So we're really anticipating the reviews from all of you and hoping for the best.
आप दोनों दोनों बहन साथ में हैं, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा और कहीं फिल्म को इतना इतना अच्छा माना गया कि फिल्म को हिंदी में डब करा गया, क्या कहेंगे?
हम लोग स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर नहीं कर रहे साथ में, बट हम लोग हमारा रोल्स ही अलग अलग है. इट्स कोइंसाइडिंग, स्टोरीज कोइंसाइड कर रहे हैं. But it was great because actually उनका शूटिंग कहीं और थे और मेरा शूटिंग शांतिनिकेतन और बोलपुर में. But story wise we were very in tune with what's going on in each other's characters, so I guess that really enhanced the whole thing.
Is there any change for Hindi?
Any theme?
Any change like Bollywood or Bengali?
This is the first time I'm going to see the Hindi version, so I don't know. But yes, Gulzar Saab has done the lyrics, and I'm really looking forward to that because he's a genius, and it's been like it's a surprise that he's actually done this. It's been like it's a gift that he's actually done this film with us. I think the movie No Kutubi is inspired from a short story of Rabindranath Tagore, and it's too much noise.
Okay, go.
No Kutubi is inspired from Rabindranath Tagore's short story, but it's not a complete. It's not the complete actual version. It's the characterization is a bit different from the film, from the book. And I think it's commendable that till today, in our age, in our generation and era, we can have a film adapted to the mentality of someone in his generation. It just shows how futuristic he was. And if you see the subject of a film, it's actually a very sensitive subject that we are hitting. And I think it's for all generations, all age groups, and it's commendable. Like I said, very futuristic. Sorry? मेरा लुक फिल्म में बहुत इट्स अ वेरी टिपिकल बंगाली विलेज लुक. आप लोग के लिए शायद अलग होगा, लेकिन इन कैलकाटा और बंगाल में विलेजेस में everyone dresses like that. It's very typical, very simple, normal cotton sari, normal cotton blouse, no makeup look, बहुत ही glamorous look. Or I had to put on a lot of weight for the film. I put on 5-6 kgs for the film, and I had oil in my hair right through. I had oil in my face right through. I didn't have to look good at all. But it was good because normally when I'm shooting a Hindi film, and every 2 minutes you're trying to look perfect, and you're trying to, everyone's like looking at you constantly. Over here, no one was looking at me. I was doing my own thing. I was very comfortable and at ease with myself. जब मैंने अपने आप को स्क्रीन पे देखा, I was like, I'm not looking so nice, and what do I do? I was feeling very conscious. But then I guess वो character ही ऐसे है फिल्म में that my husband doesn't like me because I'm not a good-looking girl. So character-wise, it was absolutely perfect. And my husband is in love with my sister in the film because she is the beautiful one. She's the diva. She has all the suitors and everyone after her. So she is the beautiful one, and I'm the not so beautiful one. So that is the contrast of the characters. That is a misconception because my first music video I played a double role, and everyone thinks that is my sister, but it's me.